Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing of some succulents from Mountain Crest Gardens, some cuttings and some rosettes, but I also have a surprise for you, and it's something that I'm very proud of and very excited about. So I've already opened the box and taken out some of the styrofoam peanuts that they pack them with, and these you can use. I've actually put them in a bag. You can use them to fill up planters and pots if you want to take up some space and not use so much soil. You can put these at the bottom of your planters, and they give you some instructions here too on using those. They're crinkle paper and they're packing peanuts. And it also gives you a discount here on your next order, 10% off your next order. So that's really nice. One thing that I always like about them is that they always put a signature of who boxed up your order. Again, they also give you instructions there on how to care for your plants, and that comes with each boxing. But the one thing that I want to show you that I'm very proud of, this sticker that they're starting to use now for their cuttings and boxes and things like that is actually a sticker that I designed for them. So I was contacted by them asking if I could do a design for their stickers using succulents, and I jumped at the chance. So I'm very, very happy that they liked this one. It shows, if you can see it there, a twig wreath in the background with various succulents, echeverias, and some haworthias there attached to it. Some string of pearls there. Bring it a little bit closer for you. And their initials, their Mountain Crest Gardens. So that's something that I'm really, really proud of, and hope you like it too. So let's get going here on these. Just set this aside. Look how pretty. This is the, I had ordered two things, the cuttings and then also some rosettes of Echeverias. I've got some projects planned coming up, and we're heading into wedding season, bridal shower season. So I am going to be doing some projects using the cuttings and these rosettes, making some boutonnieres, some corsages. I'm even going to make a succulent bouquet, bridal bouquet. So those are projects that are going to be coming up that you want to be on the lookout for. The first one I'm going to be doing is making the boutonniere and corsage. So that will be coming up in the next week. But look at these rosettes. They do give the names there on the top of each one. But this one even here has a flower bud on it. See that? And they're so big too. They're not, oh, here's another one with a flower. They're not the size of, say for instance, a plug or something like that. These are really good size rosettes. And these are the ones I plan on using for the bridal bouquet. So I'll be doing a tutorial video on that. These are just beautiful. Okay, so let's take a look at the other box. That should have the cuttings in them. Okay, I love this tissue they use and the way that they just take such care of packing them. And these too you can use. These are biodegradable, and you can use these in putting in pots and stuff, but they help in the transport of the succulents so they don't move around, they stay in place. and they don't lose leaves, things like that. Oh my goodness, so much color in here. Do you see that? Wow, so much color. Get you a closer look. Look at the brilliant colors. Now these are cuttings, so you can see that they've been calloused. This one at least is calloused off already. So these are ready to use in whatever project you want to use them. Or, look at that one, even has a little root on it. Or you can go ahead and plant them up too. That one's starting to callus, almost completely calloused off. So you can tell these were cut fairly recently. They're not ones that have just been lying around. That one has a flower stalk on it. Oh, look at the brilliant color on these. Now these, when you order them, you'll get a variety of them. You get a variety of sedums and echeverias and crassulas. So if you want to order specific ones, you can definitely contact them and order specific ones. But when you order the box of them, and there's 15 in here, I believe. Look how pretty that is. So these I do plan to use on the boutonnieres and corsage. I've had so many ideas already on how to create that and how it's going to look. Isn't that wonderful? This right here would make a beautiful beginning of a boutonniere. And then, you know, succulents are so popular right now in weddings. So these projects I'm going to do are things that you can easily make yourself and you know, create them for somebody special that's getting married. Oh, look at this in a panda plant, Kalanchoe tomentosa panda. So beautiful. Just gorgeous. So there you have it, friends, the rosettes and cuttings from Mountain Crest Gardens. And I will tell you that right now, these cuttings of 15 are on sale, and I'll leave a link down below in the description box. They are on sale right now. I believe it's $19.63, but definitely worth it. These are so big and so healthy. The callousing over is looking wonderful. None of them look like they're rotting or anything like that. They look very, very healthy. They're packaged beautifully, and most of all, that beautiful sticker on the front. Something I'm very proud of. I'm, you know, tooting my own horn there a little bit. Anyways, so stay tuned, friends, for those upcoming videos, the wedding series that I'm going to be doing in the next couple of weeks. Doing videos on boutonniere and corsage, as I mentioned, centerpieces, and also the bridal bouquet. So stay tuned for those. Thanks so much, friends, for joining me today. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much, and I'm so appreciative of that. And subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Thanks so much, friends. Have a blessed day.